Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage. Today, I'd like for you to go on a little journey with me to take a look inside an issue of Block magazine from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Our journey is going to take us to the woods near my home. I walk my dogs here almost every day, and there's just no place quite like the woods of northern Michigan. In the winter, it's peaceful, calm, covered in snow. I just love it. Find a tree stump or a log and take a little break and enjoy an issue of Block magazine from Missouri Star Quilt Company. These are my dogs, Zoe and Thor. They love going on walks. And here is the Block magazine from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Let's take a look inside this issue. You'll find tons of inspiration. There's 10 quilting or sewing projects or patterns in every issue. You'll find tips that will help you build your skills, information in like this issue, talking about irons, stabilizers, and interfacing. There's always a spotlight on a designer and lots of quilt patterns, sewing projects, something for everyone. You may even find a new designer, quilt pattern, or fabric designer that you love to follow. These issues, as you can see, they contain all the instructions that you need to complete the different projects. There's just such a fun quilting magazine that's perfect for all the quilt lovers. So be sure to pick up your copy of Block Magazine. You could subscribe monthly and you can save by subscribing annually. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you so much for following along with the Birch Cottage.